Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys something I did back in October. This is at Strathspey Railway doing the 200-year railway gala. If you guys have any questions and comments of what I did, make sure to comment down below and like the video, subscribe, it's free and it will sure help a ton. So this is for stick in and let's get into the video. It's at this point in the video where I explain how much wood you'll need and all that. And this is honestly, when you actually think about it, it is insane. Probably you'd need like thousands just to complete a line. I mean, didn't we watch like a program on like how the railways were made from like when the steam engine started? I mean, that's mad. That engine you're seeing now was a Class 21 diesel locomotive. I think that's a Royal Scotsman coach.
According to the SC, I think so. I'm not taking a video of it.
Have a look. What did you do? That engine that you're seeing now is the Queen Anne, which is done more in Strathspey. Oh god. Oh, this is giving me a better idea for a Dead by Daylight map in Minecraft. Boat of Garden, because I was going to make a train station anyway.
Well, there you go.
I just need to figure out what I'm going to base it off on. Honk! I wish this worked so I could check how much steps I've been doing. Because if you think about it, right, the amount of steps you take in a year is around 1 million. Like, well, over 1 million practically, so around like probably like 200 mil. I mean, for Bex, probably already at 75 mil at this point, from the amount of walking she's done in this 1 year alone.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my, look at the rundown coaches. Imagine how much it would take just to re-thingy one of these.
Steps.
You have a nice one in traitors. Yeah, I know. Look at that one. It's been like that for like 50, 60 years or so.
Train station.
A place I'd really like to go visit again someday is the National Railway Museum. I love that, because although Stephenson's rocket wasn't the real Stephenson's rocket, it was inspiring to just see like how two people managed to make a steam-powered engine that transformed into Scotsman to that.
Wheels that are not on anything. Like.
Oh yeah, it's been like that.
It's at this point in the video where I just talk about stuff, and even to the point where my dad just points out the bricklaying on the signal house bit. But in this part, I just talk and talk and talk and talk. So if you don't like it, skip ahead. But yeah, I would just talk and rant about stuff.
Oh, don't. Oh, that infuriates me. Do you know?
2, 3 headers, 1, 2, 3, 4 headers, 1, 2, 3 header, 1, 2, 3 header. Of a course of an hour.
Oh, that's actually.
If you count the coursing, it's 4 courses and then headers, 3 coursing and then headers, 3 coursing and then headers.
We've done it for 4, haven't we?
4 up there as well.
We've done 4 before.
Oh my god. Off the bridge onto the table.
7, 8, 9.
What's on YouTube? That's actually. You can actually watch that on YouTube, actually. Oh, it's coming back.
Oh, it didn't go very far then.
Yeah, it's like a mile from the station.
Not
To...
even that far, it stopped
Yeah,
anyway.
that used to be Wendy's. They'll probably just fucking
Yeah.
forget it. You
That-
got money on you?
I've got 12 quid in pounds.
Well, on you go.
I don't have my wallet.
Oh, catch it.
You can.
Ah. How much did he say?
£5.
Jesus.
Listen to what he says. Don't tell him you know everything.
I'm not stupid, but nice one.
Put your phone away. You'll be using controls.
Oh shit, Sherlock.
Don't take a video. Get the video ready.
Why the hell do you think I have my phone out?
No, we will. You'll be driving a train. You'll not be able to fucking use that.
Top of the wheel. This is 46512, an invert class 2 steam locomotive native to Strathspey Railway. It is also known to have a twin called the Kamali Pilot, which is numbered 46464. Now, the Kamali Pilot was recently rebuilt in 2024. With 46512, its needs are overhauled. I'm not going to talk about any of that today, so take it as you wish, but yeah. Think of how catastrophic it will be. It'll basically be Chernobyl, but 10 times less worse. And no radioactive material will go into the actual atmosphere to kill the entire Earth. Probably I've always started it. Oh, okay, nice one, Wolf. Walk in front of the camera. Good job. Dad, I'm gonna give you to the count of 3 to shush. Five, 4, 2, 1, 0. Let's just wait for him to be done talking. Yeah, because I didn't trust myself actually stopping it. I would have actually just rammed it. I would have rammed it into the what's it called? What's the thing called? No, not the buffers. The thing in front. The brake van. I would have crashed into that. There you go. Oh, nice, a butterfly beside it as well. Oh no, that's a leaf.
4 coaches on that one? That's insane.
It's good that we do this.
If I stuck my foot, this is what I look like if I somehow stuck my phone to my head. Meanwhile, Callum just has to put a GoPro attached to a holder on his head, so he'll be like this.
They're doing wee teas and coffees and snacks.
Let's go.
Snack or something.
If we have to pay for it, let's go get our money. I can get a video and I can take a screenshot of it. Nice. Nice. I mean, it's probably just terrible because of the sun. It's the best I've got. We might need to actually move at some point. Because the van behind us is moving.
Alright.
So we might as well cross into this lane. Yeah. Come on, Mum, stop being slow. Next thing you know, you get offered a market to be here. Best day of my life. Oh, look in there. You can actually see the boiler. Mum, look in here.
Alright.
Rebuilt 2005 Avimore. You're gonna have a world record of tripping over holes in this one fucking day.
Determined to fall.
You just want an excuse to break your ankle again. That's practically all you want. You drive a train and then you drive a train. 4 minutes later, you step on a large rock, do your ankle, and then you 30 minutes later, you trip over a hole and nearly crash into me and maybe almost making me smash my head off the ground. Well, it's good to know the UHI is got connections with Avimore. What did the guy say his wife was doing?
Fireman.
No, didn't he say she was thingy
she's
at the
at
UHI?
Art and design.
Well, I think Kaylee's doing art and design. I think. Well, good. We thought experience driving trains in train sim world, well, not actually diesels, but it's that was seriously good.
Well, you can go home and put it on. Download the diesel.
Yeah, 50 quid.
Right, who else is going?
That one. I mean, I don't know how anyone from 1950s to now lived with those bloody things.
That's just a wee shunter engine here.
It's meant to be a shunter engine, but it's also a coach engine because the Black 5 is nowhere to be seen basically. We bring dogs, Tucker would shit himself.
What did the guy say to you?
You guys are that. You're like, no, we could put in food. He's like, go on then. Like, oh, alright.
Yeah, we don't want anyone else. We don't want you to be in the. I'm probably gonna get my ass beaten when we get home, but I probably when we all go. If I was the one to go back, I probably wouldn't trust you because the last time someone's done that, the Flying Scotsman crashed into its coach.
Wasn't the Flying Scotsman that crashed?
No, oh, because a woman was in the fireman's seat. And the woman didn't even give up the seat to the actual fireman. So she was the reason the Scotsman rammed into a bloody Scotsman. This is gonna be like a like an hour-minute video of just this. Of just literally just me doing this, just holding it straight.
Oh, you just have to cut all the talking out.
Yeah, I'll have. Oh no, because that's what makes a video entertaining. Commentary. One key part of actual videos. Well, if I cut you out, it'll cut me out as well. If you're talking from majority like 9 minutes. We're right here.
Across the bridge, Kat. Yes, you can.
Yes, I know you go across the bridge. I was looking for you.
I'm surprised you can walk the platform.
No. That is a Christmas thing.
That's why I had to go around to the front.
Is that what you tried to do?
That's a Christmas thing. She'd walk off the platform onto the rail to figure out where the bridge is, even though it's right in front of it.
I went over my ankle, which is now sore now.
Well, pay attention.
You just want an excuse to break your ankle again. That's all you want.
Oh, I really don't want to do that. Thank you very much.
What the- Stop tripping over stuff. That's that diesel. For the once, I don't have any ankle problems, which is funny, because I was known for ankle problems.
Sesame.
240 for
Sesame
tea.
snacks.
Well, let's have snackies. In this part of the video, this is me driving the Class 08. Now, at the time, I was 14 and I just drove an engine without even having a driver's license. I find it very funny how I managed to do this, but honestly, if I'm going to be genuinely honest, this is the biggest dream come true ever.
Look where you're going.
Push that all the way up. Put your hand back on there. And then gently round to the two. Put it towards you. So we're going 4 miles an hour.
So happy I got to ride the train, man. It was like one of my biggest dreams to actually get behind the wheel of it. But I'm so happy, man. Got to drive it, which is really lucky. I moved away because I thought I was going to do a steam thingy.
Guess what?
I moved away because I thought I was going to do a steam thingy. I'm the only one that's great.
I thought I was going to get covered in steam, but it
Yeah,
didn't.
that's why I moved back.
I know. Thanks, Kian.
In this bit, you didn't even do it on the diesel. Me and my dad arguing about like who drove the train.
I've got more experience.
And him saying he doesn't trust my mum driving. But honestly,
I've drove an actual train today.
Oh, he's going over that
really
side.
mind what happens, but just enjoy the clip.
Nah.
Oh wait, oh he's probably going down to there.
That's alright, well then.
With that grey, we've got a brown engine and it's a tan. Whatever you like to call it.
No, he's going in behind that one.
Oh, he's probably taking the carriage with him.
Come on then, let's...
Better whistle.
This is the class 27 pulling out of the Motive Garden station. It was there for just passengers after going to Brook Hill. Now it's going to Aviemore and then to come back to Cotton. Here is the bit where me and my mum get absolutely blinded and deaf at the same time. These two took out our literal hearing, but the engine you see is 46464. This is the Kamali pilot I was talking about earlier. go.